Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Apple Numbers app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a row into your Apple Numbers spreadsheet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new row into your Apple Numbers spreadsheet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to move around your email subscriber list, and some providers require you to have a certain amount of rows. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Apple Numbers spreadsheet. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into one of my Apple Numbers spreadsheet. You can see right here. And right here we have 1, 2, 3 different rows. If you want to add another row, all you're going to do is just click on the data in the spreadsheet. Once you do that, you're going to see these columns and rows pop up right here. So you can see we actually have 4 different rows. However, the first one is a locked row. And if you want to add another one, all you're going to do is just click on these 2 little green horizontal lines that appear. And as you can see, we have a new row. So we can go ahead and start filling this in. So we'll go ahead and put this person's name there, email@gmail.com. And then we can go ahead and put their city. So we'll put city as Stockton. And that's pretty much it. So we can go ahead and continue to add rows one by one. So just click on the data. And then once again, click on the hamburger menu or these 2 horizontal lines. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new row into one of your Apple Mac Numbers spreadsheets, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.